What's up, guys? Welcome back to the show. It's your boy Lex Money. Aero has been one of the strongest performing coins of the day, and we need to figure out if it's time to go long or short. You have been part of one of the strongest communities in crypto so far, so I want to say a big love you. If you're not part of the family already, then go and click that sub button. Let's get it. What is up, everybody? Happy Friday. Happy Friday. Happy Friday. It looks like it's a Friday today because pretty much the entire market is going through a bit of a relief rally. And for now, it is just that. It is just a relief rally. Also, not doom posting, not too scared, because the market is showing some signs of life. And when you look at some of the top gainers of the day, you're going to see Aero right in the middle here with a 16% pump for the day. Now, who was here in the last video when I was showing you the trade setups for Blowfin? We said if we have some sort of pullback to the one fib at $1 exactly, that was going to be a perfect area to long. We knew we were going to have some resistance around that 1618 at $1.34, and we were a little bit shy of it, guys. But before we do get ahead of ourselves, I mean, at the end of the video, we're going to look into some of our buy prices, see if we've hit them, see if we've got a chance to be picking up any more Aero anytime soon. But it looks like we're forming this massive pennant, guys. Okay, we're forming this massive pennant, and we can't expect to just now go and break up past the upper area of resistance, maybe hit the $1.34. We're most likely going to come back down over the next few days, guys, and get this lower target, probably erase all of these gains that was made today. As much as that sucks to hear, you know, these patterns, they need to form, and if it did form correctly, bring us a lovely healthy target at the 2618, so around $1.88. And remember, this is the Blowfin chart, not trading view. You guys can trade up to 25x leverage on Aero on Blowfin if you just sign up with the link. And they've actually got an exclusive giveaway for everybody who uses my code. Again, you help me if you do use my code, guys. But regardless of the trade setups, regardless of the choppy nature of the market right now, who remembers Token Millionaire? Put your hand up, right? Do you remember when we looked at Token Millionaire in the last Aero video? We said he's buying all the time, millions, and the big boys are just accumulating as the days go on, guys. Even at these prices now above $1, they're accumulating. Look at this. And if you don't just trust the whales, then trust the actual metrics, guys. Swap fees are on the rise. During Epoch 57, Aerodrome totaled $2.267 million in swap fees in just one epoch. This amount included $1.8 million in slipstream fees and 827k in V2 fees. So V-Aero Photos received 100% of the rewards generated by the DEX, encompassing both swap fees and incentives. So again, that could be you guys if you want to use it. If you use it, let me know in the comments now. But maybe you don't care about the whales, maybe you don't care about the fees. What about the TVL of the top base coins? Look, guys, top 10 base ecosystem coins by TVL. We are number one. 1 month change, nearly 100% compared to everybody else. And we're now at 1.12 billion. We're like 10x all of these other projects, maybe 10x all of these other ones, guys. So again, this is why we invest into Aero, because of stats like this, because we knew it was going to be the leading DEX on base. We knew this from when it was 40 cents, guys. So again, big pat on the back to everybody who stayed calm in the dump and who is going to continue to stay calm if we do continue to have a dump, because could this be an outcome? You can see here, Credible posted this little chart here to say, you know what, this relief rally is just a short-term relief rally when it does come to a longer, harsher correction. And his correction that he's looking for is going to be all the way down to that 48k, sweeping those 49k lows, which would be like a super max fear event. And there's someone here made me laugh, actually said, every year there's that one guy. It's you this year. Capo was last year. Somebody will be next year. But what are your opinions? Do you think we're going to go that low, guys? I mean, from what I'm seeing, a lot of people thought the same thing for the gold chart, and all it did was print a higher low in the channel, and then it broke out. Caught a lot of the bears off guard because they were used to going highs to low, to highs to low, to highs to low. If anything, probably the easiest trade setup of all time. And then we don't go to the extreme lows, and then we have a high low and break out. You know, that can catch up a lot of people that are waiting to pick up more crypto in these lows. So then you can see my boy Reki here. Bitcoin has broken out from its 4-hour downtrend channel in the red. We open it up here. It looks like the bullish divergence is playing out. Remember, this is a 4-hour, so this is like such a short time frame. You'll see here on the RSI, bullish divergence. We had a breakout of this falling channel. Are we going to start to try and tackle around 63k? Because whether you think that or not, we're starting to see some bullish signs in the chart. I mean, yes, we did get rejected from the upper area of the channel. We had the 3 white soldiers, guys, so the 3 green consecutive bars, which usually does indicate a shift in trends. Okay, it's normally like a trend reversal pattern. So Are we going to come down back into our accumulate? It looks like we're getting some sort of rejection out of the accumulation zone. But all in here is an accumulate zone. Even if we do sweep those lows and get to that 48k, that's going to be a massive accumulation, and I still will be picking up my top altcoins. Now, if you missed the last video, maybe you were here and you're not subscribed, go and subscribe, because we had 3 key pickup levels that we were looking at. It was $1.13, $1.09, $1.04. And we said to complete the breakdown target, it was going to be 96, okay? 96 cents. Now, I said I'm not just going to go all in at 96 cents because crypto is crypto, right? It does crypto things. Luckily, we got that, guys. We got within, like, what, a percent or so? How many percent is that? 2.7% of that bottom there, guys, okay? So we got that at the $1.04 pickup level, and this was for everybody who was not in the market, right? Now, people are going to want to FOMO back into here. Don't do it. Don't play that game, guys, because what happens is you don't buy down here, you buy up here. We're literally coming up to resistance now. It gets rejected. Everyone gets fearful again. They don't buy down here. They don't buy the 96 cents. They do the same thing, and they wonder why people are not making money. But we've had 3 great accumulation levels. Maybe this pennant is not going to be what we thought it was, and it is going to be something like what we saw in our blowfin chart, and it could be something more like that, meaning the pennant's going to extend a little bit longer, which would be great because it would mean that we have a bigger breakout, but it could bring us into a few weeks into October, guys. So we're at $1.21 right now, guys. Let me know what your opinion is in the comments. Remember what we're aiming for above us, okay? So when it does get, you know, tough like this, do you really think the bull runs over? Are you all out of the market now, and are you saying, right, no, the bull runs over, I need to sell all my crypto? If you do think the bull runs over, you better sell your crypto now, right? You better just get out because things are going to get much worse. If you don't think the bull runs over, chill your little pants and just try and accumulate top coins when it is time. That's it, guys. If you've made it this far, please be sure to support the channel by smashing that like button and dropping me a sub. We're so close to 10k subs, guys. I appreciate the Aero family so much. I'm going to see you in the next one. Peace.